All right now, everybody, welcome back to the show. If you saw the last video, hopefully it's in order here. Sometimes I get a little out of order. I start moving things around because I got a few videos in the queue there. But the last video, we bucked up a bunch of this Locust, a little bit of Hackberry, and that's where we left off. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff split. I know it's not crazy weird stuff, but it's that time of year where it's a little bit more difficult to make content right now. There's not a lot going on with Firewood other than splitting, bucking, and stacking. So I'm going to get to splitting this stuff here and make a little video out of it. Now this is Locust wood. It's very good firewood. It has a lot of BTUs. It's some of the best firewood, and this is some dry wood. Now that Hackberry seemed to be really dry too. So it's going to dry within a matter of a month or two. Certainly within 3 months it'll be dry and ready to burn. So let's get going. I'm going to get splitting this Locust. It's got that nice yellow honey color in the middle, and I'm not saying that it's honey locust. I think it's probably black locust, but that's what it looks like. You can see there what it looks like. And it is a dry tree. All of this stuff here is really dry already. So no sap running out of it, no sticky, slimy stuff under the bark, none of that. It feels really dry. So again, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get splitting on this stuff now, and I'll probably check back in with you here at the end of the video if you stick around, and do a closing statement. Well, all right now, people, you kind of got the feel for what's going on there. I got a little more Locust to split. It's all just straight grain, pretty nice firewood, and a little bit of Hackberry. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up, and I'll show you what I got after that. If you saw the video yesterday, and I would recommend going back and watching that, where I was bucking this stuff up, I goosed my saw into the dirt like a Chad, so I'm gonna have to probably sharpen that chainsaw, and I don't want to spend forever out here today, but let me see what this load looks like, and what time it is when I'm done splitting this stuff, and I may have to do a quick chainsaw filing course for you guys. Not really, I'm just gonna file it and see and move on, but I'll check back in after I get this stuff split. Let's see how much it is. I think I got about 3/4 of a truckload or something, so I may have to file that saw and get to splitting some more, because the day is young, and I hate to ruin that saw. But man, I ran it right into the dirt. It was a bad deal. It was an amateur hour at the firewood pile today. So you can see I just got a few more here to get split up, and I got some Locusts over here. All right, I'm gonna try to save some battery because I don't have that extra battery, so I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I need you guys to subscribe, ring the bell, make sure you watch the videos if you subscribe too. Okay, now I got that wood split up there, and it's not quite a truckload like I said, and I do have a little bit more time this morning, so I guess I'm going to sharpen my saw, but it's a pretty decent load. But I mean, when you close this tailgate, there's all kinds of room in here and back in the corner, so it can hold some more wood. And I guess I'll just go ahead and sharpen my saw right here on my tailgate there, and maybe cut up a few more rounds. So I think I'm going to do that. I'll get sharpened up. I'm not gonna film that because it's gonna take 15 minutes of me sitting there grinding away on a saw. Everybody's seen that before, so I'm gonna get going on that. All right, I got my saw sharpened up there a little bit. I'm gonna buck up some more wood. Now, I just did that real quick, but I think I got a pretty good edge on it. That chain's about toast, so it's due for a new chain, but I just ran over it real quick, man, and I did it on my tailgate, which is low right now because I got a bunch of wood in there and I'm on a little bit of an incline, but we'll see how she does. I mean, that sharpening is always... I'm going to probably have to buy a Dremel. That looks so nice to do it with a Dremel and do the electric sharpening because, I mean, it hurts my hands, it hurts my back, it hurts my legs, squeezing that saw. I mean, leaning over it isn't even comfortable. It hurts your chest. It's just not a comfortable deal. I have a hard time getting comfortable. Now, I did squeeze it in between a few pieces of wood there and kind of made a little makeshift vise in some way. But anyways, I'm going to hurry up and get on it, buck up a couple more pieces of wood and get it split up. Here we go. I'm going to show y'all the rest of this last cut because that's not very satisfying, I think is the word they use on YouTube. So let me make sure I have a satisfying video and finish up this last log here. Got the rest of that locust log out of there. I'm gonna try to buck that, or I'm gonna try to split that thing up real quick. Gotta get moving. Here we go. right, I just wanted to close up now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got everything bucked up and I got a nice load in the truck. It's full, and Hackberry and Locust. There was a little bit of that Locust that wasn't too good now. This right here was a little punky, had a few ants in it, so I left that stuff. It's just real light and punky. I'm signing off. I'll see you guys next time.